Introducing the next generation of reporting, the QT9 BI tool. Get access to limitless information in seconds, enabling you to make faster, more informed decisions. Quickly navigate your favorite dashboards, reports, and queries using the quick access bar. Discover new insights and take action. Now you can get more out of your data. Simply build, view, and manage dashboards and reports. Create meaningful visuals in seconds. Build your own analytics or use pre-built reports. Identify trends and review outliers. Create and save custom queries directly from your data sources and export results with Excel with the intuitive Query Builder. Uncover hidden value when it matters most. Analyze data from a wide range of data sources. Connect data from multiple sources, allowing you to combine QT9 ERP and QT9 QMS insights into a single powerful report. Integrate data from Excel, SQL Server, MySQL reports, and API connections for complete visibility across your business. Get out-of-the-box insights for quality. Easily switch between filters to explore your data from different angles and update dashboards to reflect exactly what you need to see. With just a few clicks, users can drill down from high-level KPIs into detailed data, instantly uncovering the why behind the numbers. Easily log in using single sign-on. Share reports with a view-only portal to enable collaboration. Schedule reports for automatic delivery. Help others quickly get important insights. The QT9 BI tool is available in the cloud or on-premise. It has never been easier to boost your efficiency with QT9's BI tool. Contact QT9 for a price quote today. Simply email sales@QT9software.com.